Welcome back, students of class 5. This is your English text class. In the last class, we read a story, Robinson Crusoe. Okay, so we completed the story. Hope the story is clear to you. Today, we will do the question answer part, the exercise part. Okay, so get ready with your Marigold book. Open page number 52. Before we will be proceeding to the question answer part, we will learn the new words. Okay, so in the page number 52, open please. The first one is savages. Savages means wild people in primitive state. Wild people in primitive state. Those are savages. Now, mainland, large continuous extent of land. Large continuous extent of land. Wandered, go from place to place without a definite route. Go from place to place without a definite route. Now bolder. Bolder means more confident. Bolder means more confident. Inhabited, that means occupied or dwelled in. Occupied or dwelled in. You please learn the new words. These words are necessary. Now come to the question answer part. The first one is, what made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? From question number, we will write the answer. Okay, get ready. Robinson Crusoe keenly examined the footprint and saw. Robinson Crusoe keenly examined the footprint and saw every part of a foot, like the toes and heel. So he concluded that the print in the ground. So he concluded that the print in the ground was a footprint. So he concluded that the print in the ground was a footprint. Okay. Now come question number 2. Come to question number 2. Why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? Why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? Write the answer. When Robinson saw the footprint, he became panicked. He realized that some other human being used to live on the island. He realized that some other human being used to live on the island apart from him. Full stop. So when he was returning back to his cave, he was so frightened that he was so frightened as if when he looked at the bushes and trees, it seemed to him that somebody was standing there. Now, question number 3. Why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? The answer is, the sight of the footprint made Robinson Crusoe such afraid. The sight of the footprint made Robinson Crusoe such afraid or such frightened that he was not able to come out of his cave for many days. So he prayed for his own protection. Staying in his cave. Okay, done. Now question number 4. Here, question number 4, choose the correct answer. Number 1. Robinson ran back to his home as fast he could because he was afraid. It is easy, isn't it? Number 2. He could not sleep because he thought, answer number B, he thought savages had come from the mainland. Now number 3. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? The answer is number C. He had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. Okay. Now number 4. Where was Robinson Crusoe? It is answer is C. Alone on an island. Okay, I am repeating. Okay. Number 4. One number. The answer is B. Was afraid. Number 2. B. He thought savages had come from the mainland. Number 3. Answer is C. He had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. Number 4. Where was Robinson Crusoe? Alone on an island. Okay. Now come to the next part. That means question number 1. The words in the sentences are jumbled. Write them in order. One is done for you. So question number 1, it is done for you. So come to the number 2. Here it is written, was island the inhabited? The words are jumbled here. We will make a proper sentence, a meaningful sentence. Okay. The island was inhabited. The island was inhabited. Next, come to page number 54. Number 3. This footprint belonged to someone. This footprint belonged to someone. Number 4. I looked around me. I am telling the answer only. Okay. Number 4. I looked around me. Number 5. I went towards the large footprint. I am giving the answer only. Okay. I went towards the large footprint. Number 6. Now I was afraid. Number 6. Now I was afraid. Now come to the question number 2. Here fill in the blanks. The first one is I was frightened but curious. But number 1, but. Number 2, so. I decided to go to the beach, so I went along the water's edge. Number 3, I ran as fast as I could because I was frightened. Number 3, because. Number 4, I was very tired and confused. Number 4, and. Okay. So read and learn all the question answers. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.